Before you sign, you gotta watch this video from Imtilak Real Estate. Tips regarding the citizenship. When you buy a property in Turkey with a value exceeds $400,000, you are eligible to obtain the Turkish citizenship. And here we're talking about two stages. The stage of completing the purchase of the property, issuance of the title deed, and placing a reservation on the property not to be sold for 3 years. The second stage is the stage of submitting the citizenship file. 1. You have to know the date of the issuance of the title deed, and if the property is still under construction, it can be purchased based on the sale contract certified by the notary. You can also apply for citizenship through it, but keep in mind that this contract will procedurally delay your obtaining the Turkish citizenship more than if you had a title deed. When you want to submit the file to obtain the citizenship in exchange of real estate, your passport must be valid for a period of not less than 6 months. Therefore, it's recommended that you renew it before the application process. We advise you to buy a property with an amount more than $400,000 with around 10 to 15% as a margin and safety factor in case of exchange rate fluctuates. As for the papers for applying to obtain the Turkish citizenship, they are summarized as follows: the title deed and bank receipt to obtain conformity in the first stage, and then submitting the papers with the investor's passport, his wife and the children, along with the marriage contract and birth certificates. These papers are submitted personally or through an authorized lawyer, and the Turkish citizenship can be obtained within 90 days from the date of submitting the file. Thank you very much for watching, and see you next video from Imtilak Real Estate.